In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shorten a Microsoft Forms URL in just 5 minutes. Now, I know that sharing lengthy URLs can sometimes be inconvenient, especially when you're trying to distribute your form quickly and efficiently. Fortunately, there's a straightforward way to make those URLs more manageable, and I'm here to guide you through this process step by step. To get started, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Free Microsoft 365 Online. This is the first step where everything begins. Once you're on this page, look for the Sign In button and give it a click. If you're not already signed into your Microsoft account, you'll need to enter your credentials here. Remember, it's important to use the account where your Microsoft Forms are stored. After successfully signing in, navigate to the Microsoft Forms platform. This is where you can create and manage all your forms. If you're new to Microsoft Forms, don't worry, it's pretty intuitive. Now that you're in Microsoft Forms, you'll need to choose the form you want to work with. That's where the real action begins. Locate and click on the form that you're planning to share. Next, to proceed, look for an option labeled Collect Responses. This feature is integral for sharing your form with others, allowing your audience to quickly access and fill it out. By clicking here, you'll also find different ways you can send out your form. Finally, you're almost there. Focus your attention on the Shorten URL option. This is the final step in the process and arguably the most satisfying one. By selecting this option, Microsoft Forms will automatically generate a shorter, cleaner version of your form's URL. This shortened URL is much easier to share and manage, whether you're sending it through email, social media, or any other medium. As a quick tip, always make sure to test your shortened URL before widely distributing it. This ensures that everything is working smoothly and that there are no last-minute surprises for you or your audience. Sharing shorter URLs not only looks cleaner but also helps in tracking and managing replies effectively. By following these easy steps, you can take full advantage of Microsoft Forms capabilities, ensuring that your form is both accessible and presentable. Embracing such functionalities not only streamlines your workflow, but also enhances the overall professionalism of your digital communications. So go ahead, try it out, and simplify the way you share your forms today. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.